Hi children, it's Shout Out Friday. So here we are showing you a gallery of some of the wonderful work I've got this week. And remember, last week I asked for two things if I could get some images from my email. One was some translation of shapes on grids. So here we have some work by Sasha. And Joey, well done. Great translation of shapes. Georgia, she's done 2 lots. Christopher, well done. Sophia, managed to do a few of them. And again, well done, she's done the extension. Sasha done some great work with drawing accurately triangles, following the work earlier on. So that was really, really good. Good extension. Patrick with some of his shapes on grids. Goda managed to do some shape recognition and the properties that they have. Nina done some accurate shapes on grids. Julian done the extended bits on translations. Very good, very accurate, very precise. Right, and then the other thing was the story, the narrow escape. So we had some great stories come in from Julian, from Joey, from Rosebud, from Sophia, from Artemis, fantastic. Patrick, and he also did a video reading it out, so that was really good. Zach, well done Zach, that's the first bit of work that I've seen from you, so well done. Alexandra, same with you, first piece of work that I've received, so well done you. Joseph, he typed out his story, that was wonderful. Great story. Goda done some writing. Christopher done his story of the narrow escape. Very good. Wonderful stories. Georgia done a fantastic story. Excellent. And Nina done her story last week. So that was really good. Lots of dialogue going on there. Fantastic. And we also received some other work. Alexis doing lots and lots of reading in his made up teepee, so Native American teepee there, well done. He's out in the plains of the USA, no doubt. We got Leopold doing some exercises there with his brother. Dolma with her picture of the entry for the Super Bear, and Bastian done some fantastic work. Great work there, lots of work, so well done you, Bastian. Stella done some reading comprehension, she typed it out as well, so well done. And Lena done some work some time back on Dragon Senses, so keep them coming in. What I would like you to focus on next week, some work evidence in the form of photographs, images. There's a few things that I'd like to have next week if possible. We've already received some from some children, so I will show that next week. The persuasive letter to tell zoo owners to look after the animals. Do you remember that? When we were looking at the opinions of different zoos, where do they stand? So you're going to ask a zoo owner to treat the animals well. Another one was the castle. Imagine a mysterious ruined castle. It was a poem, and you had to give noun phrases in a list poem. Tell us what you find. So using lots of strong language, lots of powerful phrases, and using the noun to expand on that with a noun phrase. So remember that. And then my day out. So we had to write about your favourite day out. Include sentences with adverbials. So you're adding to the verb. Okay. And in maths, I'd like any work, the symmetry of shape worksheets that you've been doing this week. Either shape, symmetry within shapes or reflecting patterns. Okay, and also some work on the multiplying multiples of 10 and 100 activities. Also, you could show some division sums with that. And then any mental maths work, you know, how are you getting on with your time yourself tests? I've seen some evidence, but it'd be really good to see what you got. So you've had 5 tests so far this week. Have you managed to get them all right? See, and what time did you get it? Did you manage to do it within 2 minutes? And if you've done it within 2 minutes, see if you can beat your time the next day. That's a challenge. So for history, I'd like anything that you've been doing on the Wild West. So, you know, have you done a research on any Native American tribes, or found out a bit more about the pioneers of the US? And how difficult was it for the homesteaders? How did you get on with that? And then one thing for the science, if you can do that, I'd like to see really good posters of the dangers of electricity. And that was the template. You don't have to use that one, but that would be really, really good to see how well you managed to get the message across. Okay. And then with for the maths, for the history, sorry, you can think about any of these ideas that I wrote out for you, and did you use any of those websites? Anyway, good luck, and we'll be in touch soon. Take care, bye.